Sons of the Forest. You know, game has been out for a while, but let me sum it up in a giant ball of garbage for you. Flying on a helicopter. The helicopter's going over this island, and then you get shot down. You crash land, and then you wake up, and there's this Asian man looming over you with a revolver in his hand. It says, "You're not supposed to be here." And then he rips off your press emblem on your chest, meaning you're a news agent or something. And then he hits you with his revolver. Why he doesn't shoot you, I'm guessing it's because he was expecting you to be fed to the cannibals. Yes, the cannibals. They're running around, they're eating stuff, they're being weird, they're gross, they're all dirty. And then next, as you get through the game, you progress, and as the longer you survive, the harder the cannibals get. They want to kill you, they want to eat you, they're hungry. And this is a representation of the big fat red cannibal man. He's kind of an alpha, he's the chief. And then also mutants. Mutants can be found in caves, and then as the game progresses, they come out of the caves. But this is one with like a lot of arms and legs. Big part of the game. Looting caves. You gotta explore these caves, you gotta be a spelunker. And then, quick summary, 4-point summary. Survive, you gotta explore, and then build your home. Don't run through the game, don't watch a bunch of YouTube videos and run through the game. It's boring. I did that in my first playthrough. But anyways, that's gonna be the quick summary. Let's just hop right into it.
Oh, he's back, exactly.
I'm gonna block you guys on fucking Snapchat. No, I'm gonna put my fucking phone on my. You're gonna vibrate my.
Can you guys spam me?
You guys spam me real quick.
Can you guys spam me, please?
Start checking his phone, start texting him more.
We're in shit.
I was thinking of making a pretty sick and cool, sick and fucking sick treehouse.
Sick and nuts and sucking nuts and.
Oh my god, there's a guy behind you.
I already killed
Fucking
somebody.
Naked. I just died in one hit.
Should we attack?
There's a lot.
Holy shit, there's a lot of them.
You mogging me? Ember. First logs to the shack. Dash.
Yes, we need to build a log spot so you can put all your fucking logs that you just destroyed into a bucket.
And that would be the end of day one. It was a quick day, but it was a good day.
Oh, we see where I'm going with this.
No, I can see my fucking phone vibrating. I'm not doing it again. I can't. Okay, it's going on my balls. Dude, we might be goated with that rock wall.
Dude, rock wall is epic. Honestly, go to the beach and get some turtle shells. You know what? That's what I'm gonna do. I might go grab a pistol as well. Dude, cooking pot.
Yeah, I don't know how you even get the turtle shells, so that's another thing.
You can't just grab the turtle shell?
That's what I thought. Every time I tried to, it wouldn't work.
Oh, I got it. I think Sam's just stupid. Yeah, I just got another one. Turtle shells can you hold, do you think?
Probably just one.
I'm holding 2.
Maybe 2. I'm gonna chop down some trees and throw down some logs for you.
Oh, I can catch it! I can catch it!
Should be enough for that. Oops.
What'd you do?
One more tree. I almost squished you.
I don't have any duct tape, so hopefully you have duct tape.
I think so. You don't have tape.
Hopefully there isn't a
Oh,
fucking
another
shark.
bird.
Pretty sure there is.
No, they don't exist. That's just a myth.
Let me in. I got hit by something.
Yeah, well, you're just lying. They don't
Guys,
exist.
No, dude, I got eaten.
Think there's any ammo in it?
I don't know. Nah, dude, there's a shark.
Well,
Oh, yeah,
maybe
he's
this
right
is the
there.
USB.
There's a shark right there. Maybe this is like the rafting spirit. Or shoot it.
I'm getting that fucker.
Did you kill it?
I don't know. I shot it like 4 times. I'm kind of scared. I don't want to be here anymore. Alright.
What is the new Forest game called? Is it like the Forest 3 or something?
What if it's Daughters of the Forest?
Stepson of the
That'd be
forest.
Steps on the Forest. Oh no, cannibal! I'm stuck in the dryer. I would never. Me first, I would never say that over fucking Among Us.
Among Us.
Dude, turn around.
I'm skin pouching it.
Oh my god, he got a golf cart. Your
Hey, there's
color-
somebody
your
alive on
color-
that post over there. He's tied up and you just shoot him, bro.
Yo, does someone want to drive?
Sure. Okay. Fuck.
Oh, bro, I think you're going the wrong way.
Oh, I was just gonna raid these guys.
Oh, okay. Ow.
Ow. What's happening? Oh, it's a
Ow.
big guy. Ow. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. We should use the guns that we just got.
What was I stuck on? Couldn't move backward.
What is up, my fellas?
I'm hungry.
Oh!
Holy shit. It's got a headlamp. I'm on that. I'm dead. Please. Oh. 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 Oh.
We'll cut you down.
Let me out of here.
You're working?
Hey. We all die.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Watch how we do in my league. Yeah, Kelvin, you get him, man. You fucked this shit up, Kelvin.
It's a baby deer. Get that motherfucker. I'm killing the baby deer.
Damn!
Oh, goodness, something now.
The fuck are these
fuck?
guys running around? Put a log on top, maybe. Ow.
Oh shit.
Ow.
How bad?
These are so many. Get. Shoot. Stink. Are you still alive?
Yeah, now it's facing our way.
Make a nice lookout tower. There's a butterfly on my axe.
Here we go.
Nice. Scarler. What happened to my effigy?
Blame it on what's his name.
The log fell on it.
Wasn't me.
You sure? It's good. Okay.